Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of Pinterest. You will go to settings like this here. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of Pinterest and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to restart or to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget